Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I'm a little under the weather, but I had already had my paints mixed up yesterday, so I'm still gonna do it. I'm gonna fight through it. So the colors that I'm working with today, I've got this one here, and it is Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, and I also added just a touch of Artist Loft Iridescent Medium to that one. This one here is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And then I've got this one here, and that one is Artist Loft Metallic Purple. And then I've got one more, and that is gold, and it is FolkArt 14 karat gold. Oh, and my white is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Now all my paints, I've changed up my mixture a little bit. I just have all my paints mixed with flotrol and a touch of water, not a lot of water. And I am going to be doing a flip and drag. And I've got one little cup, well I've got two, but I'm going to try one and see. I have a tendency sometimes of lifting too fast, so we're going to just give it a try. So I'm going to start, I'm also going to put some 3-in-1 silicone in there, and I'm just going to start, I think I'm going to put some purple in the bottom first, and probably just like one drop. There you go, just one. And put a layer of gold, just a little bit. Just a little bit of gold. There we go. Oh, that one got two. A little bit more gold. Okay, now we'll do the magenta. Excuse me. And one more drop. There we go. And a little bit more gold. Alright, so now I'm just going to flip it over, and I'm going to hopefully not splatter too much, which I did. I always do that, but that's alright. That's why I've got the second cup, just in case I want to do two. Alright, so I'm just going to lift it a little, and see, I did it again. I always do that. I'm just going to run right, I'm going to take my cup, and I'm just going to go right through it. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to leave that. This cup looks really pretty. I don't know if you can see in there, but those colors are so pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to get my torch, go over it, get out any air bubbles. Okay. And then I'm going to just tilt it a bit. Kind of go a little bit that way. To go up just a touch up to that side. Okay, and I'm going to run it back down. Actually, I'm going to leave it. I really like how that looks. That's really pretty. Those colors look really amazing. They blended really nice. Alright, so I will get my torch out and go over it again, get some air bubbles out, and then see if any other, my torch might be running out. Okay, we're going to go over it again. Not anything else really happening, but that looks really pretty. I love these. I love these colors. Alright, I'm going to get my airbrush out and I'm just going to like soften a little bit. I'm just going to try a small section and see, because I kind of like it, but sometimes the airbrush has a mind of its own. I just want to soften it just a touch. There we go. Yeah, see, now I like how that looks. Alright guys, we're going to go in for the close-up. I'm really glad that I decided to paint even though I wasn't feeling good, because this turned out really beautiful. I totally love how this came out, and these colors are some of my favorites, so they usually don't disappoint when I use them together. So hopefully you guys like this as much as I do, and if you do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're interested in any of my paintings, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.